Hypersthene is a fascinating gemstone that has captivated enthusiasts with its unique appearance and metaphysical properties. Known for its shimmering iridescence and deep, earthy colors, this mineral belongs to the pyroxene group and offers a wealth of geological and aesthetic significance. The following detailed exploration delves into the origins, characteristics, uses, and mystical allure of hypersthene. Hypersthene, derived from the Greek words for over and strength, is a magnesium iron silicate mineral. It is part of the orthorhombic pyroxene family and is often found in igneous and metamorphic rocks. Its characteristic dark hues, typically ranging from brown to black, are interspersed with a metallic or silvery shimmer. This optical phenomenon, known as Schiller or Labradorescence, arises from light reflecting off tiny plate-like inclusions within the stone. Hypersthene is primarily sourced from regions like Canada, the United States, India, and Norway, where it forms under specific geological conditions involving high pressure and temperature. The chemical composition of hypersthene is a blend of magnesium and iron, creating a balance that influences its physical properties and appearance. The ratio of these elements determines the stone's color intensity and metallic sheen. When magnesium is predominant, hypersthene leans toward lighter tones, whereas higher iron content darkens its appearance. Its hardness, ranging from 5 to 6 on the Mohs scale, makes it durable enough for various ornamental applications but requires careful handling to avoid scratches. Hypersthene's crystal structure contributes to its ability to reflect light, enhancing its visual appeal and making it a sought-after gem for collectors and jewelry makers. Hypersthene's unique optical qualities are among its most alluring features. The shimmering effect, often compared to the glow of moonlight, is a result of its crystal lattice scattering light. This effect is more pronounced in polished cabochons, which highlight the stone's natural play of colors. Each piece of hypersthene is unique, with variations in Schiller and base tone providing individuality. These attributes have made hypersthene a favored choice for those seeking one-of-a-kind jewelry pieces. Artisans often craft hypersthene into rings, pendants, and earrings, allowing its subtle yet striking beauty to take center stage. In the metaphysical realm, hypersthene is revered for its grounding and protective properties. Believed to connect wearers with the energies of the earth, it is often used as a tool for meditation and spiritual exploration. Hypersthene is said to promote inner peace, reduce stress, and encourage self-reflection. By helping individuals overcome negative thought patterns, it fosters clarity and emotional resilience. Practitioners often pair hypersthene with other grounding stones like hematite or smoky quartz to amplify its stabilizing effects. Its association with the root chakra underscores its role as a stone of balance and connection to the physical world. Hypersthene's history as a spiritual tool dates back to ancient civilizations. It was often used in rituals and amulets to ward off negative energies and attract prosperity. Modern enthusiasts continue to value hypersthene for its supposed ability to enhance intuition and psychic abilities. Some believe the stone acts as a shield against harmful energies, creating a sense of safety and security for its wearer. Its calming influence makes it a popular choice for those seeking solace and tranquility in today's fast-paced world. The gemstone's role in holistic healing practices cannot be overlooked. Hypersthene is thought to benefit the physical body by promoting restful sleep, easing muscle tension, and boosting overall vitality. Its connection to emotional healing is equally prominent, as it is believed to alleviate anxiety and foster a sense of self-worth. Crystal healers often recommend Hypersthene for individuals undergoing significant life changes, as its grounding energy provides stability and reassurance during times of transition. Hypersthene's accessibility and versatility make it a valuable addition to any gemstone collection. Despite its beauty and unique characteristics, it remains relatively affordable compared to other gemstones, allowing collectors of all levels to enjoy its allure. Proper care, such as avoiding prolonged exposure to water and harsh chemicals, ensures that Hypersthene retains its luster and durability. Collectors often store Hypersthene in protective pouches or display cases to preserve its pristine condition. From a scientific perspective, Hypersthene's role in geology extends beyond its aesthetic appeal. It provides valuable insights into the Earth's processes, particularly in the formation of igneous and metamorphic rocks. Its presence in meteorites also intrigues researchers, offering clues about extraterrestrial mineralogy and the early history of our solar system. These scientific connections enhance Hypersthene's significance, bridging the gap between natural beauty and geological discovery. In summary, Hypersthene is much more than a gemstone. It is a symbol of the Earth's creative power and a tool for personal and spiritual growth. Its shimmering surface and rich history make it a favorite among gem enthusiasts, while its metaphysical properties resonate with those seeking balance and grounding. Whether admired for its beauty, worn for its energy, or studied for its scientific value, Hypersthene continues to captivate and inspire, earning its place as one of nature's most intriguing treasures. Hypersthene's place in modern gemology has grown due to its unique properties and the increasing interest in lesser-known gemstones. Jewelers and gem enthusiasts often appreciate its understated elegance, which appeals to those seeking alternatives to mainstream stones like sapphire or emerald. The rarity of high-quality Hypersthene, coupled with its affordability, positions it as a hidden gem in the jewelry market. This combination of exclusivity and accessibility makes it an intriguing choice for bespoke jewelry designs and collectors aiming to expand their repertoire with unique pieces. The gemstone's sustainability factor is another appealing aspect. As demand for ethical and environmentally responsible mining grows, Hypersthene emerges as a relatively low-impact choice. Many of the regions producing Hypersthene operate smaller-scale mining operations, which can reduce environmental harm compared to large-scale gemstone mining. This eco-conscious perspective has driven interest among consumers seeking jewelry that aligns with their values, adding another dimension to Hypersthene's appeal. Hypersthene is also increasingly featured in contemporary jewelry trends. Designers are experimenting with its unique interplay of colors and textures, incorporating it into minimalist and modern styles. Its subtle metallic sheen adds a touch of sophistication without overpowering a design, making it ideal for both casual and formal pieces. Hypersthene's ability to pair seamlessly with other gemstones, metals, and settings highlights its versatility, offering endless possibilities for creative expression. The gemstone's educational value continues to expand as more gemologists and enthusiasts delve into its properties. Institutions and collectors frequently include hypersthene in mineralogical exhibits, showcasing its geological and optical features. Its Schiller effect and chemical composition provide excellent examples for studying mineral formation processes. This inclusion in educational contexts underscores the dual appeal of hypersthene as both an aesthetic treasure and a subject of scientific interest. Cultural significance also plays a role in hypersthene's allure. Although less documented than other gemstones, hypersthene has been associated with folklore and symbolism in certain cultures. Its protective qualities are often highlighted in legends, where it is portrayed as a guardian stone against misfortune. In modern spiritual practices, hypersthene is embraced as a talisman for shielding negative energies and fostering personal strength. These cultural connections add layers of meaning to its use and appreciation. The rise of hypersthene in the wellness industry is another noteworthy trend. As more individuals turn to crystal healing for mental and emotional support, hypersthene's reputation as a grounding stone gains prominence. Its energy is said to resonate deeply with individuals seeking clarity, focus, and a sense of security. Wellness practitioners often recommend using hypersthene in meditation spaces or wearing it as jewelry to maintain its calming influence throughout the day. Hypersthene's impact extends to creative pursuits as well. Many artists and writers find inspiration in its reflective, shimmering surface, which can evoke imagery of twilight skies or the mysterious depths of the earth. This connection to the natural world inspires creative works ranging from paintings to poetry, where hypersthene becomes a muse for exploring themes of resilience, mystery, and transformation. Collectors of rare and unusual gemstones have found hypersthene to be a rewarding addition to their collections. Its blend of aesthetic appeal, metaphysical significance, and geological rarity ensures that each piece holds unique value. As awareness of hypersthene grows, so does its desirability among those seeking less conventional treasures, cementing its place as a collector's favorite. Hypersthene's relationship to technology and innovation also deserves mention. Advances in cutting and polishing techniques have allowed jewelers to maximize the stone's Schiller effect, creating pieces that highlight its shimmering beauty. The use of modern spectroscopy and imaging tools has further deepened our understanding of hypersthene's optical properties, opening doors to new applications and uses in both jewelry and science. In closing, hypersthene represents a convergence of beauty, science, and spirituality. Its journey from deep within the earth to adornment and appreciation is a testament to its multifaceted nature. As it gains recognition in various fields, from fashion to metaphysics, hypersthene continues to captivate those who encounter it, solidifying its status as a gemstone with enduring allure and significance. Its role in the future of gemology and its connection to sustainable and creative practices ensure that hypersthene will remain a gemstone of choice for generations to come.